Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to look at the array method splice. Splice not only removes elements from array, but it can add. This video has both examples. Let's take a look at splice. So you can see here on line 16, I have an array of numbers. And if you're new to programming, starting at 0 can sometimes be complicated. So here I have the actual array index. So this is sub 0, sub 1, sub 2, 3, 4, 5. So here on line 26, you can see numbers.splice 3. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3. So from 44, 55, 56, I want to remove them from this variable. Let's do this. Ready? Let's hit F10. And watch over here, deleted. Now notice over here, numbers sub 0, 1, and 2, all the way up to 33 are still in numbers. But since we said splice sub 3, it took 44, 55, and 66, removed them from the original list, and put them in deleted. I think you understand it now. Let's console write those. There's numbers and there's deleted. In this next example, look, we're saying 3, 1. So this means start here and I want this many. So it's going to go out to 3, this 44, and just remove this 1 from numbers. And then 44 will go to deleted. Let's see that work out. Ready? Let's F10, F10. Notice that our numbers 11, 22, 33, 44 is missing, 5, 5, 6, 6. Now look at deleted. Deleted just has the 44, the 3, 1. Let's see its output, and there you have it. Look at this example. Here we're saying splice 2, 3. What's 2 mean? The start. Notice that's the 33. The 3 represents the number that you want me to remove. 1, 2, 3. So remove 33, 44, and 55. 66 will remain in numbers. Let's see how this works. Splice it. Notice my delete gets 33, 44, 55, and my numbers, the original, 11, 22, 66. Let's console those out. And there you have it. Let us look at the next way to call splice. Notice here I'm saying start at 0 and give me 0. Oh, that means I want to add. So at the position 0, I want to add a 1 and a 2. Notice right now at position 0, it is 11. So watch what happens here. Ready? F10. Notice 1 and 2 got added at position 0. 0, then 1. Sweet? Nice. Okay. In this next example, notice that I have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and 65. At position 4, I want to add 53. Notice 4 right now is 55. Let's see what happens. F10. Notice 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 0 out of 53. And there you have it. Let's look at this example. Here I'm saying splice 10, 0. Oh, I'm in add mode. Then I'm going to put 100 there. But notice my array index only goes to 5. So pretty much this is telling splice, hey, go to the very end and stick that in here. Now on line 24, I'm just going to show you the value of index sub 6, which will be the 100, even though I said 10 here. Remember, this number, if it's larger than what your array is, it just appends it to the end. Let's see what happens. F10. Notice here, it appended 100 to the end. Now there are 7 elements, and I just printed out number sub 6, and it gave me 100. In this example, you can see that I'm going to say 6. Now 6 is at the very end. Remember, if the number is greater than the length of the array, then it just appends to the end. In a previous example, I showed you I used 10. Of course, 10 did not exist. Here you can see I'm going to append 77, 88, and 99 to the end of the numbers array. Let's see that. Look over here at the script and notice that it appended to the end, and I can also console log that. And there you have it, team.